Hi there and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabsian. Today we are going to learn how we can make animated card in Figma. Please first of all make a frame, and now we are going to bring some picture from Unsplash, some plant, for example this one. I'm going to decrease the size with scale, press the key, make it a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to write some text here, for example, plant number 1. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger to see what we are writing here. I'm going to make it bold, a little bit bigger, duplicate it, to write something like this plant is very strong. I don't know so much about plant, just to write some subtitle. Then I'm going to choose all of them, press Shift A to make a frame for it. I'm going to make this frame a little bit bigger, then to center it. Then I'm going to give a fill for this frame, which color you like. For example, is green. You can make it dark or lighter green as you like, but because the background is giving the light gray, for example, making a little bit distance, for example 15 pixel is better. Now I'm going to duplicate this frame here. I'm going to make this picture, I'm going to crop it because I want to show it from the closer shot, making a little bit darker here, giving a little highlight and a little tint. Then I'm going to make another frame, for example plant number 2. This one I'm going to change this, bringing some another plant here from Unsplash, for example this one, if it's fit. Yes, you can make some differences. Make it again duplicate of it. I'm making it a little bigger just to see the leaves, making a little bit darker, giving a little shadow, no difference, saturation, a little contrast. Now after when it's finished, I'm going to the part of prototyping. I have to just give a little bit of space, room to them. Part of prototype, first frame. I'm going to connect it here on click Smart Animate Ace Out 300 milliseconds, and same for others. Last one, I'm going back to first one, selecting first frame, going to presentation mode, make this here to fit to a screen. Then you are going to click here to see what we have here. As you can see, we could animate this card inside Figma. If you found this technique helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be informed about the new upcoming video, which is again animation in Figma. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.